The Mercedes-Benz W245, produced from 2005 to 2011, features a manual steering wheel adjustment for tilt and reach. This allows you to customize your driving position for optimal comfort and safety. This video will guide you through the adjustment process and highlight key considerations. The adjustment lever is located on the left side of the steering column, underneath the steering wheel. To unlock the steering wheel, pull the lever downward. Reposition the wheel to your desired tilt and reach. Release the lever to lock the wheel in place. Always test to make sure the wheel is secure after releasing the lever. Ensure your vehicle is parked. With the ignition on but engine not running, locate the adjustment lever. Pull the lever downward to unlock. Adjust the tilt by pushing or pulling the wheel up or down. Adjust the reach by sliding the wheel in or out. Release the lever to lock and confirm the wheel is secure by pulling on it. Proper steering wheel positioning is crucial for airbag deployment. The airbag system in the W245 is designed to work with the steering wheel in its correct position, ensuring optimal protection during a collision. As shown in this illustration, the airbag is integrated directly into the steering wheel. Proper alignment ensures the airbag deploys correctly toward the driver, providing maximum protection. Incorrect adjustments can lead to deployment failures or increased injury risk. If the steering wheel is positioned too close or too far from the driver, the airbag may not deploy properly or could deploy with insufficient force. The steering column contains critical components that must remain aligned for safety. Any misalignment can interfere with the airbag sensors and deployment mechanism. Always ensure the wheel is securely locked after adjustment. Test the lock by gently pulling on the wheel to confirm it doesn't move. Additionally, avoid making adjustments while driving to prevent loss of control, which could lead to accidents. According to safety experts from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, proper steering wheel adjustment reduces crash risks by 15% through better ergonomics and airbag alignment. Additionally, improper positioning has contributed to airbag-related injuries in compact vehicles like W245. To keep your steering wheel adjustment operating smoothly, perform annual maintenance. Lubricate the steering wheel hinges with silicone spray to prevent sticking or stiffness. This simple step ensures the mechanism remains responsive. If the adjustment lever feels loose or unstable, inspect the bushings for wear. Look for cracks or damage like shown here. Worn bushings should be replaced to maintain proper adjustment function. Regular maintenance of your steering wheel adjustment system, including lubrication and bushing checks, ensures smooth and reliable operation for years to come. Aftermarket electric adjustment kits offer a modern upgrade for the W245's manual steering wheel system. These kits replace the traditional lever with servo motors, enabling electric tilt and reach adjustments. The manual lever is swapped out for servo motors that provide precise, motorized control. Adjustments can be made using buttons or even a smartphone app for convenience. These kits typically cost between $200 and $500, making them an affordable enhancement. They particularly benefit vehicles used by multiple drivers, allowing quick personalization for optimal comfort. The installation involves mounting the servo motors to the steering column and connecting them to the vehicle's electrical system. This provides smoother operation and eliminates the physical effort required with the manual lever. One common issue is a sticking adjustment lever, often caused by worn springs in the mechanism. Another problem is a seized tilt joint, resulting from insufficient lubrication of the steering column components. A recent survey found that 15% of W245 owners experience issues with the lever sticking. Failing to lubricate can result in expensive repair bills. Improper steering wheel positioning has been linked to 0.5% of airbag-related injuries in these vehicles.